Introduction to HTML tag. The HTML tag is a phrase tag used to emphasize text, often displayed in italic style to denote a different voice or mood. Example: this is a simple example. The word simple is displayed in italics. Importance of HTML tag. It's semantic, carrying information about the type of content within. Commonly used to indicate different language text, citations, technical terms, idiomatic expressions. How to use the HTML tag encapsulates the text you want to emphasize. Example: the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Eiffel Tower will be emphasized in italics. Tips and tricks for using the HTML tag. Always remember to close the I tag after the text you want to emphasize. Avoid overusing the I tag, as too much emphasized text might confuse the reader. Ensure the text within the I tag is relevant and needs emphasis. Common mistakes when using the HTML tag. Not closing the I tag, which results in subsequent text being italicized. Using the I tag for stylistic purposes instead of semantic emphasis. Incorrect usage. This is a simple example. The tag is not closed, so the text after simple will be italicized. Correct usage. This is a simple example. Only the word simple is italicized. Difference between the HTML tag and M tag. The I tag is used to represent text in a different voice or mood, while the M tag is used to emphasize text strongly. Both tags render the text in italics in most browsers, but semantically they are different. Example: this is important, but this is M very important.